party animal. Girl, your party animal. Girl, your party animal. You want so good. You're just so good. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I decided I will sit down and tell you about my recent discovery that didn't make any sense. So right now I have the MAC lipstick. This is like the famous Ruby Woo red lipstick. So this goes for every skin tone, I think, and it's best looking. It's the best on dark skin tone. Well, this lipstick is best also on dark skin. So this is really popular one. So I apply this lipstick in the morning time, and look, it's like 10 o'clock. I apply it at like, let's say 11 a.m. so almost 12 p.m. and it's still there. I haven't retouched it, nothing. So now I'm just going to talk about my two red lipstick, my two favorite one at the moment, and the one that lasts the most. So I'm just going to make a quick tutorial. I hope so. Quick tutorial about these two and how I apply the Ruby Woo lipstick, and it still looks that at the end of the day. I'm shocked because coming from someone that, which is me, that has some difficulty making a lipstick last, I was so shocked, and then I did everything and I didn't need to refresh it. So without further ado, let's get started, and then after that I will move on to this one. So this is a quick tutorial. So those are my two like favorite at the moment with red lipstick, and let's apply this right now. So guys, what I'm going to do is just erase, wipe everything down so I can apply a new base, so the new lipstick on camera for you guys. Now I go in with my Comex Lip Balm. You know that I love Comex so much, and yeah, I like the tingly feeling, like it's so moisturizing for my lips. So this is my base. And then I go in with my MAC Chestnut Lip Pencil. I'm going to contour my lips. Then the first lipstick that I'm going to apply, so those are both red lipstick, is going to be the MAC Ruby Woo lipstick. So this is the name of the lipstick. It's called Ruby Woo. So this is the best dark skin friendly, black woman friendly lipstick, like a red lipstick. So I'm going to apply this all over my lips. So I feel like also when your lips are like semi-dry, not too like moisturized, it stays on longer. Or what you can do also is like reapply a little bit but for that case I didn't like apply too much. So just not apply too much moisturizing. If you need a little bit of touch up like during the day, maybe once. So it usually stay on like a long time if you use those steps. Okay, alrighty. This is the second lipstick, and this one is supposed to be like a tint, like lip tint one. So this is from Giorgio Armani. So it's like Armani Beauty. I believe the lipstick cost me like $56, and then this lipstick is supposed like to rest, to rest on your lips. If that it makes sense, but this lipstick is supposed to be longer for a longer period of time on your lips. So if you apply a good amount, you will still see the shadow of that lips. So the red lipstick, I believe, and it's also good on dark skin color, like dark skin people, like myself, like black woman, and it looks good. So yeah. Here I'm using the same step, my MAC lip liner, and then I'm going to in with like the lipstick, and that will be it. That will be the look, and you're supposed to have it like for all the night, all night. You're supposed to have it all night on your lips, so it's not going to fade away, and also all day, even if you go to work and all that, even if you eat too, especially for with this lipstick, because that is the only job. Its only job is supposed to stay on the lips, especially if you prepare the lips really good. So that's it. So guys, that is it. So those are my two favorite red lipstick for black woman, and also the tips are how to make your lipstick, especially red lipstick, stay on all day, all night. So those are my tips on base, like how to prepare your lips and all that. So hope you enjoy, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.